Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's watch has been in my family since over 30 years now. HMT Tariq. This watch belonged to my grandfather. My earliest memory of my grandfather with this watch is as clear as it was yesterday. I still remember him delicately winding this watch and setting the time every morning. Every watch in my collection is a special watch. I've repeatedly mentioned that in my videos. But this watch has sentimental values too, as this was inherited by me from my grandfather. This watch was a gift from my father to my grandfather. He died at the age of 97 years. And this watch was beaten up and had stopped working. Until recently, when I got bitten by the watch bug, mechanical watch, I got the watch restored. Tariq means date in Urdu. My guess is that HMT Tariq was the first hand-wound watch with a date window. If any of you have any knowledge about this, please leave it in the comment section. Quick wristwatch check. I am wearing Seiko 5, a TV dial, a design from 70s. I never had this in my collection. It's a recent acquisition. I'll talk about this watch soon in my videos. Interestingly, HMT Tariq comes in a barrel case. Well finished applied indices with black topping is an added bonus, and a precisely cut date window at 3 o'clock. The date window is not just punched in the dial, but has a beautiful steel finishing to it. This watch has no quick date set. If you want to set the date, you'll have to run the watch for 24 hours for the date to change. My grandpa was not a guy who sat in one place. He was a chess player, so he moved around a lot to play chess with his mates. Because he never learned to ride or drive, he took public transportation to get to places. And this watch has seen a lot of sun, and it has developed a beautiful patina. The watch measures at 37 mm in diameter, lug to lug 40 mm, height of 10 mm, and lug width of 18 mm. HMT Tariq comes with standard in-house 0231 hand-wound movement with a power reserve of a little over 30 hours. This was my first experience with a mechanical watch, and this was my first watch which I inherited. And HMT Pilot was the first mechanical watch that I bought with my money. Since the two important watches in my collection are from HMT and I have an emotional bond which is hard to explain. Though I have over 50 watches in my collection, and HMT forms a small part of it, I love HMT Tariq more than any other watch. It might be because of the sentimental value I have towards my grandfather or the unexplainable bond with HMT. Being in an Indian family which is so closely knit, inherited timepieces like mine are priceless. And when the watch is from an Indian brand, the timepiece becomes a part of the family. I have managed to keep everything original on this watch, besides the crystal. I have also managed to preserve all the nicks and scratches which my grandfather got when he was wearing this watch. I sincerely hope the future generation will cherish this HMT Tariq like I have. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care.